Is your DeWalt impact driver refusing to start, sparking, or cutting out mid-job? Don't toss it, it's usually a worn motor or faulty switch. Welcome to WholeToolBox, and we'll show you how to fix it yourself. Switch assemblies often fail from dust or heavy use, causing a stiff trigger or inconsistent power, while motors wear out from overuse, showing sparks, weak torque, or sudden shutdowns. Always remove the battery first for safety, then open the housing to access the motor and switch. Disconnect and replace the switch, then unscrew and swap out the motor, reconnect all wires snugly, close the housing, tighten the screws, reinsert the battery, and test your tool. Using OEM parts ensures the best performance. And just like that, your DeWalt runs like new, smooth power and a crisp trigger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY repair tips from WholeToolBox.